Hey everyone, we are starting a new series on pandas in Python. In this session, we will understand why we should learn pandas in Python. Pandas is most powerful Python package available for data analysis. It provides very fast and flexible, easy to use APIs to analyze and manipulate big data. If the data size is small, you have various other tools through which you can perform data analysis. The basic tool we know of is Microsoft Excel. Using Excel, we can do a decent data analysis on smaller data. However, if you want analysis for a very big data which are in GBs or TBs in size, in such cases, we cannot use Microsoft Excel for our data analysis. At that time, Pandas is the way to go. Pandas is a very powerful and very popular package in Python through which all the industries in this world are performing data analysis. Not only for data analysts, it is very important and a must know package for data engineers as well as data scientists. So you can clearly understand what is the significance of knowing pandas. If you are interested to go to data analysis or data engineering or even data science, pandas is a must know package in Python for data analysis and data manipulation. If you are going to any interview related to data engineering, data science or data analysis, there will be significant amount of discussion on pandas package, and that is the reason it is very critical for us to understand pandas package in detail and perform some hands-on so that we are fluent with pandas package. Let's understand what pandas offer. It offers easy handling of missing data, data alignment, slicing, indexing, subsetting of large dataset, reshaping, merging and joining of dataset, read and write of large data from various file formats and databases. It also gives us easy usage of grouping, filtering and typecasting of data. And these functionalities of pandas make it so special that without knowing pandas, you cannot survive in data analysis, data engineering and data science field. Let's go to PyPy repository and see detailed information about pandas package. I am in the pypy.org now and search for pandas. If you see, this is the logo of pandas, not the usual panda we know about. It is a powerful Python data analysis toolkit. What pandas offers? It offers missing data. We can perform easy insertion and deletion of columns. Various data alignment processes are there. Easy to convert data, slicing, subsetting, merging, joining, reshaping and whole lot of things we can perform using pandas package. By using pip install, you can easily install pandas in your system. Pandas are getting downloaded 151 million per month. By this, you can clearly understand how popular this package is. Who has developed it? Let's go to the GitHub of pandas to check it out. It's an open source package and the code is also available in pandas GitHub repository. As you can see, there are 3000 plus contributors throughout the world who are enhancing pandas every day. It's mostly Python based package. However, there are small usage of other languages as well. You can go through this readme to understand whole lot of details about pandas. What is it? What is the main features of pandas? How to install it? What are the dependencies? And whole lot of other information about pandas. Not only that, you can go through this section how as a Python developer you can also contribute to enhance pandas package. Now let's understand pandas in my local machine. What we have to do? We should have Python installed in our machine. We can write pip install pandas, and if you press enter, it will install pandas in your machine. In our Python series, we have written all the Python code in PyCharm IDE. This time we will be using Jupyter Notebook for our hands-on in this whole pandas tutorial. I have taken this purposefully because all the data analysts, data engineers and data scientists are using Jupyter Notebook day in day out for their coding purpose, and that is the reason I have started writing code in Jupyter Notebook so that you will be comfortable with Jupyter Notebook. This is the interface for Jupyter Notebook. I have created a new file called pandas tutorial here, and we will write all our code here in this section. You cannot use pandas capabilities in your source code by only installing pandas in your system. You also have to import pandas package in your Python code. You can do so by writing import pandas as pd. Here pd is nothing but alias of the name pandas. This is a very similar syntax what we have learned in our packages in Python video tutorial. If you are not aware of it, you can always go through my Python playlist to understand how can we import a package in our Python source code. In order to run this cell, you can click on run. You can see star here. Star means it is still in progress. It is currently executing this line, whatever I have written in this cell. If you see now, it's not star anymore, it's line number 1. This represents that this cell got executed successfully. In order to print the version of pandas is being used, you can write print pd. Why pd? Because we have renamed pandas as pd dot dunder version. Using this, we can see the pandas package version installed in my machine. If you see here, my current pandas version is 1.4.4. In our upcoming sessions, we will understand each and every functionalities of pandas so that after following the whole series, you will understand pandas end to end and answer all the interview questions you may encounter during your interview session. Thank you very much for watching this session. Please watch all the upcoming sessions in this series to understand pandas end to end.